do first position.
Molly,
Can you get in first position?
First position.
She doesn't care right now.
She's having a good enough time right now.
Yep. Oh, now she's doing what you were showing her. Have JJ show you some of his cool moves. Stand over here and he'll show you some of his moves. Yeah. Okay, watch JJ. Watch JJ. Watch it, JJ. Wow. Mhm. Woohoo! Clap for him, Molly. Clap for him.
She's like, I want to.
Yeah. Now you do it. I bet this is not the.
Not the ideal.
No, I have thunder.
Oh. Can you do it too, Molly? There you go. Exactly. Woohoo!